Here, the waterfall. There. There's another waterfalls in Iceland. Bluga Falls. Huh? There. Hola. Let's go, my love. Woo! Woo! Power of nature. Gana pa. Malamig. It's so cold. Basa na ang paa ng jowa because we went there. Yeah, see that. Boom. Okay, let's go. Wow, really nice. Hala. Hala po. There. Ganda, di ba? Tara na. Tara na sa Iceland. Tara na po. Yan po. Yan po. Lakad-lakad. Wow. There. Yan po. Yan lang po. Pack. Waterfalls. There. Aba na sa tayo. And the good thing here is nobody's here. We're all alone. Not so touristic. Good place to visit. Not like waterfalls or Bull Falls, but still equally nice. Hot. There you go. There you go, ang jowa. Pagod na. Basa. Talking wet. Basa na siya. Basa na po siya. Oh, there's another waterfall there. Nice. Very nice. Pack. Pack na pack. Okay. Uwian na. Oh my God, there's so many flies here. That's the thing. But it's very beautiful. Worth the stop. And you're all alone if you come here. Compared to Silver Falls.
Yeah, we are.
But it's Silver Falls. It's beautiful. Very nice though. This one is nice too. You can make love there on top. Oh. Charot! At yun na po, nagtatapos ako. Let's see. Ito po. If you want a picnic here, you can do that. This is the Bluga Falls. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to come here, there's the information there too.